Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And I'm joined here by my husband Rick. Hi.
Hello. How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. We got a bunch of cool stuff here.
We do. Cool stuff.
Cool stuff.
Including your shirt.
Yep. One of the new Batman shirts. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
It's awesome. Loving it.
You're spoiled.
As I always used to say to my dad when he would say that to me when I was a little kid, he'd say, "You're spoiled." I go, "But Dad, it's not being spoiled when you deserve it."
You would say that to him?
And then he'd just shake his head.
Oh, he wouldn't send you to your room?
So, what are we starting off with here today?
So today we are experimenting with cold brew. So.
Okay. So this is different than obviously iced coffees.
Yes, because cold brew, you're brewing the coffee with cold water.
Okay.
Yes, so you take about 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee beans and you add 4 cups of cold water. You can leave it on the counter or you can put it in your fridge. You want to brew it for at least 12 hours, up to 24. Some say 24 is too long, some say 16 is too long, 15 is the maximum, 12 is the maximum. So, just experiment like I did and give it a try.
So, basically this is not something you're going to make for yourself and have it that day usually.
Not usually.
Okay.
Like you might go to bed.
It's called planning ahead.
Yes. But you can apparently make a big batch. You can have it for a few days.
All right.
Yeah.
So what did you use in this one?
I use Creekside Coffee Factory, their house blend. And this is exactly 2 weeks since it's been roasted.
Wow. Okay.
Nice and fresh.
So you do a pour over? Is that the idea?
Yes, there's lots of cold brew fancy equipment and stuff. Some look really pretty, some do very big volumes, some are really easy to clean, some are messy.
Why am I seeing all kinds of grounds in the jar here?
Because I'm demonstrating
What not to do.
no, how easy it is. Because this was actually, so I brewed this.
So you just put the coffee into here?
Yeah, coffee goes into the jar.
Oh, and then you pour the hot
And
water.
then, so essentially 1 part coffee grounds to 4 parts water.
Okay. And then you've used this to filter it out into one of these glasses.
Correct.
Okay. Because I'm going, this looks a little bit, it has a bit of a gritty consistency.
Yeah, it's just a demo.
Okay, so this is what, you're actually taking it from here, you're pouring it through a clean filter into a glass. All right.
Yeah, so that's probably like the easiest, least expensive way to brew yourself some cold brew.
Cool. All right, let's try it. No,
Okay.
What do you got?
So this is a longer brew and this is a shorter one. So I just wanted to see if we noticed a difference in flavor.
Oh, okay, good. All right,
Yeah,
lead on.
I just want to see here though. This actually
This looks a little darker.
It does.
Is that the
So-
shorter brew or longer brew?
This is the shorter one. But
Interesting.
it might have just been more concentrated. That one came from here. So anyways, well,
No, I gotta mix it up because I can see there's water floating because you had ice in here.
yeah.
And we won't clink the glasses like last time on.
Oh, you didn't like that, did you? You're probably cursing me when you were editing last week's video.
Clink, clink, clink. It's not bad.
Mm-hmm. So the benefits of cold brew. Barry didn't see that. I don't know if you guys saw it.
What'd you do?
I didn't realize there was still coffee on my spoon and it flicked and...
You're doing the hand flaying.
Yes. So, what do you know about cold brew? What's the benefit of doing a cold brew?
Well, are we talking about 6-packs or 12s? Oh, different type of cold brew?
So not funny. Sorry, hun.
I don't know a whole lot about this stuff, actually.
Okay. So with cold brews, they claim that they're much less acidic, up to 67% less acidic than regular hot brew coffees.
Wow, is that because of the way that it affects the beans, the temperature of the water?
I believe so. The oils don't come out as much as with the cold brew versus...
That's actually really nice, actually.
You like it, hey?
I do.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I'll have to try the next one.
Yeah, I like that. It's not harsh. There's not a harshness to it. That typically if you have like pour over coffee, you can get kind of that. It can hit you.
It's very mellow. So
you could actually drink that. Sorry,
that's okay.
You could actually drink that on like a hot summer day, and it would be quite pleasant to have. Let's try this one here.
Okay. So this was brewed longer.
So how many hours did you do the first one?
So this one we're trying right now, I did 24 hours.
This tastes a lot more watery.
Yeah. I wonder if that's...
You know what that tastes like? It tastes like if any of you folks have had like just straight up cold brew iced tea. It makes me think of that. The second one really makes me like I could actually sit there and drink this no problem. And if it doesn't have the acid content in it, it'd be even better because
it's weaker. I have to admit this one is has definitely more water and
Did you make it the same though?
Pretty much, yeah. It's the same coffee and whatever. This is sat, the second one that you're liking, that's weaker, sat for 24 hours. This one only sat for about 2 or 3.
You think it would be way stronger?
Well, I think the ratio of the water might, because I did it in 2 different jars.
What's this one?
This one, let's see if we even like this one. Give it a good stir because of the ice.
Clinkety clink, 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 clink.
So another great thing about cold brewing is that you actually get...
Oh, that's rancid. That's horrible.
What? Wow.
Ooh,
I gotta try this.
Oh, that is not good. Ugh.
Huh. Interesting. So...
That is terrible. Do you agree?
I think...
Oh, man. That just like, it's like... Poof.
It's bitter.
Oh, yeah.
So this is a hot brew that was iced. So it brings out way more of the different flavors.
Way different. Like night and day different. Like, as I said, oh, this is pleasant. I could drink this. I'm not even going near that one again.
Okay, so...
Don't ruin this one on me. I like this one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just thought it would be nice to try with the... Oh.
Fill your boots.
Okay, so...
Is that the sweetened oat or just
it's a
regular?
mix of both.
Yeah. But now you're just getting into the taste of like a nice coffee to me.
Yeah.
Right? So, interesting stuff.
Yes.
Good knowledge.
So another thing that was quite interesting, and there is conflicting evidence out there, different researchers and whatever.
No, that would never happen. Conflicting research? Never.
Yes. So, some say that the antioxidant level is the same between a hot brew and a cold brew. However, there is evidence showing that actually you get more antioxidants in a cold brew. How many
antioxidants are in this 375 ml of coffee whiskey?
Okay, I can see that he doesn't want me to continue with what I have to say about cold brews.
I want to get to the whiskey.
Okay,
go. I want to get to the whiskey.
Sorry. I
was over yesterday. Hey, listen, if you guys have questions that you want to ask Paula about the cold brew stuff, she'll gladly respond. I want to keep the video a little shorter today.
Sorry.
Hard to find good help. Yesterday I was into Mainland Whisky with my friend Jessica Whitworth there. So Jessica has done reviews for us before on Mama Needs a Drink and for Ghost 11, and she has her own segments going called Mama Sippy Cup on social media. Check it out, it's a lot of fun. But Mainland Whisky, they made their own coffee whiskey, and I have to tell you, I took a little toot of it there yesterday, and I was really quite pleased with how it tasted. So I'm gonna put this, actually what I'm gonna do, I'll get you to try a sip of it first, straight up. Just try a sip of that straight up. And then I personally, I like my scotch and whiskeys and stuff, I like it over ice. It sort of mellows it a little bit. You're not a big whiskey fan,
I'm not a whiskey fan. If it's peanut butter whiskey, I'll drink that.
Yeah, she's all in on the peanut butter whiskey here.
It's not bad. It's kind of smooth. It's warm.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
It has some heat to it.
Try that. When you put it on ice, it changes the with any scotch or whiskey, it changes the notes a lot. Do you notice the difference?
It tastes sweeter.
Yeah, but really, really cool that they've been able to do a coffee.
Sorry.
Smooth. A coffee infused whiskey.
Mm-hmm. It is nice if whiskey's really your thing.
That's
it's
really
very
nice.
Smooth. I feel like I could burn fire out my mouth.
You know what? And I'm going to tell you, as far as whiskeys go,
yeah,
this isn't like a burning hot whiskey.
No.
No. There's what I noticed with it is there's a subtle warmth that gradually comes in, and you get it on your tongue, and then it sort of warms your throat and into your chest a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But this is beautiful. You guys did a great job on this. Shout out to Larry at Dude's Coffee. They're using Dude's Coffee in this whiskey. Larry and Kelly, great people. They actually print our shirts. It's a small world.
Yes.
Small world. Anyways, hats off to Mainland Whisky. I'll put their website down below for you. Check them out. They make incredible stuff. Like Jessica's had fun sampling a bunch of their stuff over the time. And I have to say, this is beautiful. Trying to, it's getting nice and cool. It's, oh wow, it's so good. It's changing, right?
Yeah.
And you know what? This bottle was full yesterday when they get. We had to get the experimentation right. So yeah. Anyways, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
And I'm gonna let you close out today. I'm gonna have some more whiskey.
No. I do want to say though, with the cold brew, less bitterness, more antioxidants, also less acidic for your tummy.
That is so good. Sorry, you're saying what? I'm still going on. This whiskey is good. That is really big. Put that on. I just kind of want to wring the bottle out here.
Crazy.
Do I help? Hang on a sec. Hang on.
Oh, you're so funny, honey.
It's good stuff. Put a little picture of Dean Martin behind me here. The Rad Pack.
Thanks, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up and give us some comments. We'd be happy to reply to those.
Yeah, what she said. Plus, don't forget to visit our store, groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca or groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you're outside of Canada, in the US or international. And share these videos, folks, please. Share them. The more people that see these, the better. It gets the word out there what we're doing. And share the fun.
Indeed.
Indeed.
We do have fun.
Well, we did until this bottle went empty. Now what do we do? Hello, do you deliver? All right, folks, we'll talk to you next time. Take care.
Ciao, ciao.
That was good whiskey.
Now, this is only a gag. I don't drink anymore. I freeze it now, and I eat it like a popsicle. But you just remember, you know, a drink never hurt nobody at all. You just remember the great words of Mr. Joey Lewis. He says, you're not drunk if you can lay on the floor without holding on. But, you know, I want to say one thing in all seriousness. I feel sorry for you people that don't drink. I mean it, because when you wake up in the morning, that's as good as you're going to feel all day.